Introduce. My name Michael Stefanus Tamba. I will read the assignment for English was the role of land conservation in plantation management. Land is one of the earth system which together with other earth system, namely natural water and the atmosphere, are the core of ecosystem function, change, and stability. Land has a distinct type position in environmental issues, is a environmental asset and form the essential foundation for humanity. The vital functions that soil performs in an ecosystem include A. Containing activities, diversity and biology productivity. B. Regulate and distribution the flow of water and solutions. C. Filter, buffer, degrade, immobilize, and detoxify organic and inorganic materials, including industrial and municipal byproducts and atmospheric deposit. D. Store and recycle nutrients and other elements in the earth biosphere. And A. Provide support for socio-economic structures and protection for human settlements. For the sustainability of the very life and ensuring its welfare is impossible for humans to ignore efforts to prevent the degradation of various land functions. Land wherever its exit is a component of the environment that absolutely must be protected or avoided from adverse impacts. So soil conservation is a must to make the environment habitable. Plantation cultivation in the highlands is faced with biophysical limiting factors such as relativity, steep slopes, sensitivity of the soil to erosion and landslides, and high rainfall. Errors, the management and utilization of land resources in the highlands can cause biophysical damage in the form of degradation of soil fertility and water availability, the impact of which is not only felt by the people in the highlands but also downstream. Soil tillage includes a variety of physical and mechanical soil activities aimed at making plant root media better. In developed countries, farmers are highly dependent of agricultural machinery, but for tillage, planting seeds, weeding weeds, as well as for harvesting produce, farmers have no other choice but to see agricultural machines to treated with increasing tillage intensity. Farmers in the beginning get high yields, but as the land is continuously cultivated, as a result, the land has decreased productivity. Overcultivated land without conservation measures will become. Tillage can defined is a mechanical manipulation of the soil. Its purpose is to mix and loosen the soil, control nuisance plants, mix plant residues with the soil, encourage good soil friability, conditions for growth. Deepening the pit is effective for rooting and facilitates the transfer of water and air. Every effort to cultivate the soil will cause change in soil properties. The rate of that occurs is largely determined by the type of tillage equipment used. Conservation tillage is an alternative land preparation which to reported maintain high soil productivity. The contradictions in yield are thought to be caused by various factors, including rainfall and soil texture. At low rainfall, conservation tillage generally increases crop yields. The same effect was also observed in heavily textured soils. Another thing that determines the success of conservation tillage is the provision of sufficient organic matter in the form of mulch, so as to suppress weed growth. Conserving tillage is a method of preparing land that leaves plant residues above the soil surface as mulch with the aim of recording erosion and evaporation of water from the soil surface. But still pay attention to aspects of soil and water conservation. Conservation tillage is characterized by reduced domination or turning of the soil. The use of crop reduces is mulch and sometimes the use of herbicides to suppress the growth of weeds or other nuisance plants. The advance of applying to OTK system in land preparation are saving energy and time, increasing soil organic matter content, increasing the availability of water in the soil, improving soil looseness, and increasing soil porosity, recording soil erosions, improving water quality, increasing soil fauna contact, reducing use methane to such as tractors, save fuel use, and improve air quality.